Welcome to Spirit Shack. This is our gimbal. So this is best to be used with a mobile phone if you're wanting to film your ghost hunting sessions. So basically, if you're using a standard camera, you wouldn't need one. But if you're using a phone, we definitely recommend you get a gimbal. The reason being, when you're holding your phone, your hand shakes. You just can't avoid it really. Everyone's hand shakes to some extent. And the slightest little turn or movement of the phone when you're filming something far away is a big jump, especially when you're walking and things like that. Walking and filming, you get really unstable footage. So what the gimbal does, it keeps the phone incredibly balanced. So if your hand shakes, the phone stays exactly where it is. So this moves to counteract your small little hand movements. Also, when you're walking, a little up and down movement your body makes and your hand makes, this counters for that, and it'll keep the footage bang still, even when you're walking. So basically, if you turn or move, it doesn't move the phone. So basically, to get the phone to move, you've got to use the buttons. So you press left to turn it left, you press right to turn it right, and up and down to twist it. So basically, it's got a built-in rechargeable battery. Comes with a USB cable and USB port to charge it. You can plug your phone via USB cable into the actual gimbal, which will allow you to zoom in and out. So basically control your camera's zoom from this little button, and also you can take screenshots as well from the button there. I'll just give you a basic view of it working. So you press and hold it for 2-3 seconds for it to come on. So it stabilizes, so it's level. So if I move my stick down, move my stick up, move my stick down, the phone is staying perfectly level. And also if I turn that way, I'm not pressing any buttons there. It's just keeping the phone exactly where it is. So basically if I want to turn the phone myself, with this, obviously use these buttons. Left, down, up and right. Up, down, left, right. So basically that's what it's for stabilising your phone footage. So if you want one of these, I'll leave a link in the video description, and thanks for watching.